Hey guys, welcome back to Loco's Journey. Today I'm going to be making Toad in the Hole with my dad.
Yes. Since the last video went so well.
Yeah.
So the secret to Yorkshire pudding batter is keep it even.
Yep.
So what we've got here, milk.
Eggs, plain flour.
Why plain flour?
Oh
Because we don't need no self-raising. Boom.
yeah, no we don't, because it's Toad in the Hole, it self-raises in the oven.
Exactly. So the important bit is to keep all of your measurements. So if you want to do less batter, you'd use less milk, less eggs, less flour, but you do it all the same. We're doing it big because it's going in that monster thing. And I might not end up using all the batter, but we'll see. And then we've got some lovely sausages. So we're just going to use a bit of both for a bit of different flavour. But it's important to get the batter going now because you kind of want to leave it to rest for half an hour or so before using it. So here we go. First thing you want to do is get your eggs into the bowl. Okay, and then we need to sift the flour as he's backtracking for a sieve.
Can I have a bit of help here?
Want to get it into a sieve? Yeah, why not? And a sieve. To remove the lumps. Now, to be honest, there's loads of different ways to do Yorkshire puddings, all using pretty much the same basic idea as this, but some people will say just stir it a few times, don't bother with anything else. Other people will say no, sieve it, you know, in the end it really doesn't matter, to be honest, as long as it rises. Okay.
There we go. So now we've added the milk in to make the lovely batter.
Just add it bit by bit. And he wants to coat the back of a spoon and run off. It's quite a runny batter. I don't know if you can see that. Perfect for what we want.
Yeah.
So we'll add a little bit of salt and pepper and stick that aside to rest. And then we'll come back once we've started playing around with the sausages.
Yeah.
So Melissa's been colouring off the sausages in the pan, if you can see that. This is the part where you'll want an adult to help, especially if you're younger. Because what we've done is put the tray in the oven with some oil. Now that oil's been getting really hot, because it needs to be hot. Whoa! Snap, crackle and pop.
Oh god.
So yeah, the oil needs to be hot for the batter. I'm just going to arrange that so there's some different bits and pieces. And we're going to just pop that back in the oven and make sure the oil is absolutely piping hot for when we put the batter in, because it needs to be. So it's hot now, but it's not piping hot. Okay, so that should have warmed up by now. Oh yeah. And then what we're going to do is pour our pudding batter in Just step back, miss, because obviously this is very
Yeah.
hot oil.
It's gonna spit everywhere. I'll try and get a bit of a view though.
Actually, I don't think we did too bad with how much batter we needed.
No. Looks pretty perfect.
Okay, so that's going to go back into the oven and be left alone for half an hour. And the really important thing here is do not open that door. Because it might look like it's rising and it's looking good, but if you open it too early, Yorkshire puddings will just go flat. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, Mama Jamma! Have a look at that. Wow.
I'm impressed.
That's still on because that hob's still on. Nice.
We're doing just great, aren't we?
Chuck it to the back. Toad in the hole. Absolutely delicious. Just caught here at the top, where obviously it's proper puffed up on that side, but absolutely lovely.